Between smart cars, smart homes, and smartphones, everything in life seems to be getting smarter, and keeping track of your landscape maintenance just got smarter too. Introducing the new and improved Emerald Yards Connect, a private and secure customer portal designed for today's interconnected lifestyle. With Emerald Yards Connect, the latest updates regarding your landscape services are at your fingertips. Available on desktop or mobile, you're never far from the information you need when you need it. Does part of your landscape need attention? Is your irrigation not working properly? Or just want an estimate for a new Wi-Fi irrigation installed? Just log into your Emerald Yards Connect account, submit a service request, and you can even upload a photo or two providing us with your problem areas. Want more? You can add a comment in the notes section of your Emerald Yards Connect portal. Rest assured knowing your entire team will get your information. When will the service start? Emerald Yards will get you on the schedule for service, notify you of your day and time of service. Sometimes, the date and time we select don't always meet your schedule. To accommodate our customer schedules from your desktop, tablet, or smartphone, go to emeraldyards.com. Select a day and time that is more convenient for you from our calendar. You're all set. We'll do the rest. You'll receive a notification when the crew is on the way. Want to know when your service has started? Open your portal and your service call will show in progress. Want to know when the crew is finished? Your portal will show the job as completed. To always keep you in the loop, your personalized service requests and upcoming maintenance schedules are posted to your Emerald Yards Connect dashboard. You can even find important documents like your service proposals, quality site assessments, field analysis, recommendations, and photos, all stored and organized in your Emerald Yards Connect portal. No more digging through emails or stacks of paper, looking for that photo you thought you took. You now have everything you need in one place. It's all right here. In the Emerald Yards Connect portal, it's like taking your landscape company with you wherever you go, but in a much smarter way.